how to see a specific person's Instagram activity. So if you want to see someone's Instagram activity, then first of all open up your Instagram application. And after opening your Instagram, now if you simply go to your notifications, which is on the upper right, which has that heart-shaped icon, and here if you scroll down, here you will have all of the notifications of your friends, like if they have posted something, and if they have posted something on their stories, on their feed, then you will get the notification. But if you want to know more, then you can simply open up the ID of that person. So for example, I'll be choosing this person, and if you simply scroll down, like if you open up that video or that reel, and then if you scroll down here, you can see that this video has been uploaded 13 hours ago. So that means this person was active 13 hours ago, and then this video has been uploaded 2 days ago, and then this one 5 days ago. So that's how you can simply have the activity of that particular person. So this person has been active on this days, and you can simply get an idea of what that person is doing recently. So that's it. That's the only way to know the activity. But individually, you don't have an option to particularly see the activity history of someone, because Instagram won't allow you to do so. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.